Good morning, students. In the previous video, we have discussed the chapter, the cope and the anthem. In this chapter, we will continue this. As you know, Soapy wanted to go to Blackwell prison, and he tried thrice, but he failed. Now, first trick we will describe in this today. There were many easy ways of doing this. The most pleasant way was to go and have a good dinner at some fine restaurant, and he would say that he had no money to pay, and then a cope would be called. It would all be done very quietly. The cope would arrest him. He would be taken to a judge. The judge would do the rest. Now, the first way, he thought that he would go to a fine restaurant and there he would take good dinner. After that, when the time is to pay money, he would say that there is no money, and he would also ask them to call the police, and the police would arrest him. And now the rest of the work will be done by the judge. Soapy left his seat and walked slowly out of Madison Square to the place where the great street called Broadway and Fifth Avenue meet. He went across this wide space and started north on Broadway. He stopped at a large and brightly lighted restaurant. This was where the best food and the best people in the best clothes appeared every evening. Now he walked slowly and he saw Madison Square, where he can see a great street. The name of that street is Broadway, Fifth Avenue meet. He went there. He stopped near a large and brightly lighted restaurant. He was there, and it was the best food and the best people in the best clothes appeared every evening. Soapy believed that above his legs he looked all right. His face was clean. His coat was good enough. If he could get to a table, he believed that success would be his. Now he thought somehow he would be able to enter into this restaurant, and he saw himself that his face was clean, coat was also wearing. So in this way he would be able to enter. The part of him that would be seen above the table which looked all right, and he thought that he would be able, because upper side he was looking good. The waiter would bring him what he asked for, and the waiter would bring whatever he would order. He began thinking of what he would like to eat. In his mind he could see the whole dinner. Now he was thinking what he would order, and he was thinking a good dinner in his imagination. He didn't want the restaurant people to feel any real anger, but the dinner would leave him filled and happy for the journey to the winter home. It seemed that in this way he would be able to enter the Blackwell Island. But as Soapy put his foot inside the restaurant door, the head waiter saw his broken old shoes and the torn clothes that covered his legs. Strong and ready hand turned Soapy around and moved him quietly and quickly outside again. But as soon as Soapy was ready to enter the restaurant, the head waiter, as you can see in the picture, the head waiter stopped him and saw his appearance, and his strong and ready hands turned Soapy around and moved him quietly and quickly. After that, he quietly went away from there. Soapy turned off Broadway. It seemed that the most easy way to the island was not to be this. It seems that it is a very difficult task to enter the Blackwell prison. He must think of some other way. Now he thought that he would think some other trick. At a corner of 6th Avenue was a shop with a wide glass window bright with electric lights. There was a shop white glass window and bright electric light. Soapy picked up a big stone and threw it. Now he applied second trick. He picked up a big stone and threw the glass. As soon as he threw it, people came around the corner and the Pope was also one of them. Soapy stood still. Soapy also stopped there and he was smiling. Where is the man that did that? Asked the Pope. Now policeman inquired about that. Don't you think I may? Soapy replied, it may be. Do you think I had done it? He was friendly and happy at that time. He was very friendly and happy. What he wanted was coming towards him. But the Pope's mind would not consider thing. But the Pope's mind would not consider soapy men who break windows. Now the Pope thought that it may not be that the person who broke windows would stop there and start to talk cops. They run away because generally people run away when they do such mischievous work. The cop saw a man further along the street who was running. He ran after him, and Soapy, sick at heart, walked slowly away. He had failed 2 times. 2 times he had failed. Across the street was another restaurant. Across the street was another restaurant. It was not so fine as one of the Broadway. Now he saw another restaurant that was not so good. The people were not so rich as in the previous one, and its food also not so good. Now into this Soapy took his old shoes, and he thought that in this restaurant he could enter with his old shoes and torn clothes, and no one stopped him. And he sat down at the table and was eating a big dinner. After that he ordered for the food and he started to eat it. When he had finished, he said that he had no money. After finishing the food, he said that he had no money. Get busy and call a cop. He said, you can go and call a cop, and don't keep a gentleman waiting. No cop for you. Now the waiter said there is no need of cop, and he called the 2 waiters. He called the another waiter. As you can see in the picture, the 2 waiters pushed him outside. He stood up slowly, one part at a time, and beat the dust from his clothes. After that, he brushes his dust. Prison seemed only a now. This time again he failed, so he thought that it was only a dream to enter in the Blackwell Island. A cop who was standing near laughed and walked away. Soapy started moving again. When he stopped, he was near several theaters. Now a cop was standing there, laughed and walked away from there. Soapy started move here and there. When he stopped, he saw several theaters. In this part of the city, streets are brighter and hearts are more joyful than in other parts. Women and men in rich warm clothes moved happily in the winter air. Here people were enjoying the winter season. Women and persons are moving there. A sudden fear caught Soapy. No cop was going to arrest him. Now, a fear was there and for Soapy, and he was thinking that there was no cop who will arrest him. Thank you, students. I think you are able to understand the poem, the chapter, because in this chapter he tried 3 times. 2 times you have understood. First, when he went to a restaurant, he wanted to enter there, but the head waiter did not allow him to enter. And second time, he was able to enter the restaurant, but he was unable to pay the money No policeman was called and he was unable to go into the prison.